Hey, what's going on, everyone? My name is D and I represent New Touch Auto. And in this video, I'll be going over vinyl wrapping or spray wrapping a car that's not in the best paint or body condition. This car right here, Nissan Altima, perfect example. Now this video is going to show you or give you ideas on whether to wrap or not wrap your vehicle. Wasn't in the best paint condition. Now here we have a satin black wrap over it. Now the satin black wrap pretty much made it look fresh to the, I'm talking about to the core. You'll never know what's underneath this car. So when I show you this video, it'll give you an idea and show you the things that may be happening with your vehicle, such as clear coat failure, dents, paint defects, anything to that nature. Wraps will help your vehicle look a whole lot better than it does. Now on this car here, the top side was faded. I'm talking about it was gone. But you look at it now, you'll never know what was going on. If you got issues to the nature of dents, it's just an example, just to show you exactly what it's gonna do. It's pretty much gonna mimic anything on your vehicle that you have. The dents on this vehicle, if it's okay with you, then it's okay with the wrap. It's just to let you know what you can and can't wrap. Certain vehicles may, I'll say, you'll do a spray wrap for. Certain vehicles you can do a vinyl wrap for, but if it's in bad condition, a spray wrap is the best option. Vinyl wrap is way more expensive, so you don't want to play around with those materials. This vehicle here though, what we did was the gloss trimmings. We left some gloss out, I'm gonna say that, such as the grille and the emblems. Then we did everything else in satin black. Very solid look, fresh, looks brand new, and you'll never know what's underneath. So what I'm gonna do is show you the befores, and then I'm gonna show you the afters, and then you'll see a little bit more of this car. Until then, thank y'all for checking out this video, and guess what, man? It's your car. If you wanna wrap that car, go ahead and wrap it, but know what you're wrapping, all right? Don't expect the beauty when you got a beast, but we can make it look a whole lot better than what it does right now. Thank y'all for checking out this video. I'll see y'all on the next one.
Thank you.